What's good, guys? Welcome back, Digital Slang. Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video. Today we're talking to Pitaka, the MagEZ Juice. It's a portable power bank as well as a wireless charging stand. And we also have the Pitaka Mag case that goes along with it. And what's really cool about it is there are steel plates inside of the case. It's a carbon fiber case that alongside of that there's steel plates inside of the case that when attached to the magnets on the portable power bank, you can walk around with your power bank charging your phone as you go throughout your day. And you never have to really go back and charge your power bank because the home of the power bank is a wireless charging stand. So you drop it back in the home, it charges, you don't even think about it, and it's all in one. And these all go together. Now, if you don't have the Mag case, this does come with a sticker you can put on the back of any case. And if it supports key wireless charging, then you're good to go. But we'll check it out, we'll unbox them. And as far as the Pitaka Mag case goes, let the big boys duke it out amongst themselves. I don't know either of them, so it is what it is. Pitaka, I know I've bought Pitaka cases in the past, and they've been around for a long time, and they make good quality cases. Lou, he's a businessman. He can get his case from wherever he wants and make it look however he wants. Obviously, he did build it and make some changes. It's very similar to the Pitaka case, but it is what it is. This is business sometimes, and you got to do what you got to do. So I wish them both the best of luck. Moving on, we're just going to talk about Pitaka because Pitaka makes really good cases and they make really good products, other tech products like the MagEZ Juice. So if you want to see it in action really quick, check this out. So let's unbox these. We'll check them out and we'll set it up, see how it works. And look, I use a portable charging stand. Well, it's not portable, but I use a charging stand at my desk and I use it every night. I'm working every night. I'm either editing videos for YouTube or my full-time job. I have a small t-shirt shop in Jersey. I'm always doing graphic design and creating artwork or things like that, manipulating artwork. So I'm always throwing my phone on my wireless charging stand, and it's a good one. It's from Anchor and I really like it, but this, I'm definitely going to use this instead because this gives me more functionality, more options. I can grab my phone and just go and know that it's still charging. And we all know the juice and the power on the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the battery life on there is ridiculously good. And this is going to give me, this is a 2000 milliamp battery on the power bank. It's going to give me 30 to 40% more juice throughout the day. And there are days now where I don't charge my iPhone 11 Pro Max for a day and a half, 2 days. So to get another 30 to 40% on that, I'm all about it. So let's get into it. We'll take a look at the MagEZ Juice first, and then we'll go in and we'll take a look at the case really quick. So if we take a look at the box, the Pitaka MagEZ Juice magnetic power bank, 2-in-1 wireless charging stand. This does come in 2 colors. Again, the power bank, it's a 2000 milliamp battery on the power bank. Tells us a little bit about it on the side, slide or detached design, auto align design, comfort grip. It's supposed to be very comfortable. And the portable power bank is made of aluminum as well as carbon fiber, aramid fiber veneer as they call it. If we take a look at the side of the box, it just tells you more of the same, but on the back, we get into it a little more. The MagEZ Juice 2200 milliamp battery on there to dock. The metal plate, which you can apply to any other phone if you wanted to. If you don't want to go out and buy the Mag case, this is what it looks like. But let's just get into it. We'll jump in, we'll take a look, we'll open it up, and we'll check it out. We'll just see how it works, see the functionality of it. We'll hook it up. And here we go, our first look. Now again, carbon fiber on here, and it's a solid build. It is a premium build, aramid fiber and zinc alloy. It is an aluminum, but it's going to be really strong and really solid. And it's not that big, it's very compact, and it's got some weight to it. You could tell that it's high quality, and you can see on the back it does have Pitaka's logo on it, as well as your button. This will give you your charging indicator, your 4 LED lights. Each light is going to represent about 25% of juice on your power bank, but it's really smooth. I dig the look, I like it a lot. Put this to the side for now. Also, we get a little thank you card In here we do get the VIP treatment. You can get a warranty on here. You could probably scan the barcode and it'll bring you to the Pitaka website and you can sign up for their warranty. Also in here we do have a quick guide and some other stuff. We'll put that aside. Also in the box, this is the sticker that you could apply if you don't have the mag case to go along with it. But we'll put this to the side for now since we do have the case. We lift this up. These are some templates you can use to align it to your case. This is for a Samsung phone, and then this should be for Apple devices. So yeah, alignment paper for the iPhone. We'll put this to the side for now. You do get a charging brick to connect. We'll check the wattage on that and see what that is. But here is our stand, and it's smooth looking. It's a matte black finish. On the back, you got the Pitaka logo. On the bottom, it does reusable, washable gel, peel off before use. So you can peel the bottom of this off and stick it to your table so it doesn't move. And that probably works really well because when you're sliding this on and off from here, you're going to want this to stay in place. So pretty smart, pretty simple. So if we take a look at the stand, we do have our connector to slide into the power bank, our LED lights here on the front of the power bank, and this will slide in just like this. And your case will actually sit on top of here and you'll pull it off just like you saw in the video, but really smooth. And this has a good weight to it. You can tell it's high quality build and I appreciate that. I like that. And again, you can pick these up on Amazon and on Pitaka's website. Price for the MagEZ Juice is 89 bucks. And there is a holiday sale going on right now for 20% off throughout the holidays. And the price for the mag case, which is what we're going to check out right now, and then we'll put them all together and test them. But the price on the mag case is $49.99, and again, 20% off on their website. You can pick these up on Amazon or the Pitaka website, and I'll drop the link for both down below. But let's take a look at the mag case. We slide this out. Now, again, I've used Pitaka cases in the past, and it's always really good, solid build quality. What is Pitaka? Pitaka is a seamless technology experience for you. We value high quality material and aesthetics, and it does. It looks good, and it's made from 100% carbon fiber. Enjoy your Pitaka product. I'm sure if you scan the barcode, it will take you to the website. And here is the case, compatible with Pitaka magnetic mount. And it's just a smooth looking carbon fiber case. This thing is crazy thin and it's just a really nice case. We also get a thank you card, and on the back you share to win a free Pitaka phone case. I believe every week they will give away a free case if you hashtag them and post on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. I believe you can get yourself and enter to win a free case. And I believe they do that every week. So it's a pretty cool thing. So we take the case, we hook the case up. Now, sadly enough, I do have a skin on here and this might destroy my skin, but it is what it is. So I got the case attached to the phone. Sadly, I did have to take my skin off of the case, but it is what it is. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to get the job done, and we gotta make this video, so the case or the skin had to come off. But the case itself, the Pitaka case, 49 bucks, I'll drop the link, carbon fiber, and it is solid. It's a solid build. It's very thin and it's very minimalistic, very minimal. And I like that. I dig thin cases. I've always bought and purchased thin cases, which is exactly why I used Pitaka in the past. But it's got a smooth feel, but at the same time, there's a texture to it. So it's not going to slip out of your hand too much. And it is raised around your camera lens, so you don't have to worry about it scratching when you put it on the table and move it around a little bit. Now, the way this works, again, if we look at the back of the power bank, it matches the carbon fiber on your case. So the way this works, there are two steel plates in the back of your case, and these cases will fit most phones. If you go on the website, you're gonna have many options, Note 10s all the way down to the Samsung Galaxy S7, I believe, and all the way down to maybe the iPhone 6 or 7. You can still get these cases for that work with this charging stand and this power bank. So the way this works, you're going to attach this to the back of your case, and it's just going to stick on there with the steel case and with the magnets, and it's not coming off. If I shake it, it's not coming off. I can pull it off, but it's not coming off. It can sit there and you can walk around with this. If you need juice and you just want to get up from your desk and walk away, you can use this, and it's pretty convenient. And this is what I like about technology, right? I like it makes things very convenient sometimes, and this is one of those times. If we all want good battery life in our phones, and thankfully enough, the iPhone does come with good battery life now. But if I ever need more, again, I'm working all the time, whether it's at the shop, whether it's at home. I'm at my desk at the shop, or I'm at my desk at home. So this is an added convenience to me, and I will be using this. Now, the way this works with the charging stand is if we bring the charging stand out, this is just going to slide in, and it's already charging. You can see it's charging, but not only is the phone charging, but the power bank is charging as well. So you never have to worry about going in and charging your power bank. It's just going to do it on its own. And again, convenience. You don't want to have to think about it, right? I have power banks here that I've had for a long time. Some of them are still in the box because I know I don't ever charge them. I'll pull it out, use it once or twice, and I'll forget about it, and then it'll be dead. And I have power banks that are just in drawers, dead. This I don't have to worry about. It sticks to the back of my phone when I need it, and when I don't need it, it'll sit in the stand and it will act as a desk wireless charger. And the angle, the 45-degree angle, is great for viewing content, for watching whatever you want to watch. You don't have to pick it up. Again, added convenience. The Pitaka case, the Pitaka MagEZ Juice portable power bank wireless stand, 2-in-1, really good products, and they're innovative, right? And that's what I like about technology. I like when companies are innovative. So let me know what you guys think. Again, I'll drop the links below. You can check them out. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Back with another video soon. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Go check out Pitaka and the case and the wireless charging stand and the power bank. It's cool and it serves a purpose. So we'll be back, guys. Peace.